Okay.
Yeah. That's called the magic of Norscan.
The guy's, bravery to resist all the temptations and all the requests.
To use paint on the walls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just using cement.
Yeah.
Yeah. And and even look at even the ceiling. If you look at the ceiling inside here, the ceiling is also using the same black color and black mesh. Using this mesh also in the parapet and the plants, a very good idea. It doesn't make it crowded. It doesn't make it busy.
Yeah, and the plants can go through the mesh.
And the plants can interact.
Yeah.
Tables, or in the elements.
Perfect place to work.
Yeah, look, it's powered. Should have our lunch over here.
Yeah, for sure.
Even this tubular light, Kevin, the hanging lights.
Small tubes. Yeah, just in case a wire has a problem, or just get
the cables there, the cage for the lift.
Yeah.
And our biggest, zip line is the biggest well-known technology company in lights having sensors. And
glass frames.
Yeah. Come and relax over here, Kevin.
Good.
They brought the sofas over here so you can relax.
They brought them from downstairs and put them here.
Yeah, and they are eating sun and weather.
The elements.
Yeah, and having this double, heighted, open space.
And the high ceilings is no joke.
So it never gets bad with weather.
Also the balcony.
Yeah, and then this mesh for the plants to grow.
Yeah.
The creepers to grow all the way to the top.
Yeah. They did a very good integration of nature and infrastructure.
Yeah. It's been awarded the best eco building or something.
It did deserve the award.
So there are some offices there are some offices in here.
So these are the GE offices.
Yeah.
Generally.
I think they've dismantled the partitions.
Yeah. Is it up?
Small kitchenette for this area.
Comes equipped with the fridge and everything.
And the toilets here.
Yeah.
Storage and toilets.
Yeah.
This is a co-working space.
Yeah. Oh, inside there?
No, these are toilets and whatnot, but this is a co-working space.
Yeah.
I think we can utilize this space if we need to. You show us how you are supposed to relax in this couches.
The comfortability of this.
No, with your legs on this, not that.
Yeah, I'll put it here.
Yeah.
Put it here. And then just have to hug the pillow and.
Okay.
Yeah. That's called the magic of Norscan. Yeah. Nice. And this space is.
The picture of these lights, the sensors as they go up. So they started here, then they start here. So they have their own sensors.
Which brings us to ANSYS. Engineering simulation software that helps turn complex ideas into reliable real-world products. Wow.
Here's another.
And the other high ceiling is...
This is the second floor of that ceiling.
Yeah.
And there is a third floor.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Even the handrails still.
Yeah.
On the ground floor. This is the rooftop terrace. Check how big this space is, and from here you can see all the solar panels on all the roofs. And again, they're black, then wood,
Yeah.
cement, all natural colors
Yeah.
and natural elements.
Yeah. Being here makes you forget that you're standing over a blank space. There's no what's it, a balcony under for the other floor, and then until the next one.
Yeah, 3 floors.
3 floors.
Yeah, and there is a university here, the Czech Christian University or something.
Yeah.
Oklahoma Christian University.
Wow. That's why you all it.
The Noscan complex is. The car park space, the block 3, 4, 5, and then the old block and the new block. This is a huge site. You're talking about nearly 5 acres or something like that. 5, 6 acres.
Perfect place to be Spider-Man.
Yeah. but it has a very good view from here. You can
Yeah.
see. I think is that the overflow car park space they use?
Yeah.
Okay.
The overflow car park giving you the view of the Marriott and Serena. And then you also have the Sheraton 4 Points over there.
And what is this building?
Where's this building? I have it.
Okay. And check that the favelas there.
Yeah. And then you have the favelas. Under there you have the district of Nyarugenje.
And Nyarutarama is not far. With this, what do you call it?
Nyamirambo.
Nyamirambo is just across there.
Yeah, it's just across. Yeah. I thought the terrace from the 3rd floor was good.
Yeah.
And then you get here and you're like, there's levels. And then the breeze. This would be a good event space.
Yeah. And I think if nobody is using it, we will put it to use. And it hasn't been working for a while. I think there is something major wrong with it.
They did it for a reason.
Okay, they don't want it to be used.
Yeah. These guys were too lazy. They don't want to take the stairs.
Okay.
And like it's a university, not wanting to take the stairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a color theme that these guys are using. Black for all the metals, keep the wood white, all the walls to be cement. Wall floors, everything to be cement. So gray.
Yeah.
And I think it is something to do with your tradition. Rwandi's designs also have this black, white, and gray,
but
and some red.
Yeah, but for the Rwandese tradition, painting is compulsory. I just think this is a more like a modern design to the building.
These edges, they break. If this was also that, it would have broken.
Yeah, but it adds a little more aesthetic to the structure.
Okay. But the guy who designed is a local architect. He's a Rwandese guy.
Huh.
Yeah, it was built. This was built by not my friend. The old block was built by my friend Paresh.
Yeah.
This one was built by another builder.
Yeah. And this is not very common for Rwandan architects. It's too modern for that.
Yeah, I like these lights with the
just bulbs.
Yeah.
For me,
with a bulb.
What I like about the building is not even more about the plants. It's more about the space between things.
Yeah, so that you're not you're not fighting to rip them apart.
Yeah. Like you can.
And also the gap here. Look, if you look at the gap here.
Yeah, there is a gap in between the metal and the building.
This floor can take a lot of abuse, you know that?
Yeah.
Chemicals, anything you throw at it, it will survive it. This height is also big. The head height is nearly 10 feet.
Yeah.
Over 3 meters.
High ceilings.
And with the plants surrounding the building, on the building, everywhere.
Everything stays fresh.
Yeah. This AGL group that was up there is now here.
Yeah.
And they've followed through even this over here.
Everywhere with the metal thing.
Yeah. And even this, look how they've made this column into a gutter.
Yeah. Instead of putting pipes,
Yeah.
it just goes through it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It starts raining.